Hello and welcome to the heart of Mitsubishi Electric's headquarters in Ratingen. Global player, local friend. This is the philosophy of Mitsubishi Electric, the world market leader in wire and die sinking eroding machines. Armed with this technology, companies, large and small, have been boosting their profits for the last 40 years. And we think you might be interested to learn how you too can benefit.
How do machines from Mitsubishi Electric boost your productivity?
When it comes to the full automation of production processes, it is no surprise to learn that more and more users are opting for solutions from the world market leader. Mitsubishi Electric's many years of experience in the field of automation and in the practical implementation of its technology can give a big lift to your output and profits. But you don't have to believe me. Let's have a look together at how things look in practice.
The production of molds for injection molding, zinc die casting and aluminium die casting is the speciality of Stahl Formenbau in Velbert. Its products meet the strict quality standards of companies like Bayer, Philips and even Daimler. Since the founding of the firm in 2003, its workforce has grown more than fivefold. The secret of its success lies in its combination of traditional mold making with innovative technology, since the production process at Stahl Formenbau is almost entirely automated. New jobs are entered in a digital organization system and monitored throughout the production process. In the design department, the components are fully designed in 3D with the latest CAD/CAM systems, after which the data are supplied straight to the machines and the job is executed. A robot takes out the pre-numbered unmachined mold from the pallet rack and loads the eroding machines that perform their task with the accustomed precision. Production runs around the clock, 7 days a week. This may be bad news for the competition, but it is certainly good news for customers. And of course for Managing Director André Boer.
Die Lösung von Mitsubishi hat unsere Erwartungen zur vollsten Zufriedenheit erfüllt. Die Automatisation, die Anbindung des Roboters, das Zusammenspiel beider Systeme miteinander und auch die Fertigung auf den Maschinen hat sofort funktioniert und ist einwandfrei.
How reliable are machines from Mitsubishi Electric?
At Mitsubishi Electric, there's no call center and no queuing. Instead, customers have direct and personal access to their local service technician. However, they don't get to see him very often, as the eroding machines of the world market leader are so popular among the users precisely because of their high reliability. Almost every user orders his next machine from Mitsubishi Electric. But why don't we just pay a visit to a user?
Apinex in Weibstadt is an all-round provider with a range of services extending from development and design through to the production of plastic moldings, tools and even entire production installations. Impeccable quality and punctuality enjoy top priority. Anyone who sets such high standards for himself will only choose machines that have the lowest failure rate and where, in the unlikely case of a malfunction, service is swift and solution-oriented, just as one would expect. It is precisely for this reason that Managing Director Jens Ernst has plumped for the machines from Mitsubishi Electric.
Oberstes Ziel ist natürlich, nur so wenig wie möglich Service zu benötigen. Wenn dies doch der Fall sein sollte, müsste der Service sehr schnell sein, da eine Maschine, die nicht läuft, nur Kosten und keinen Umsatz bedeutet. Jede Maschine ist nur so gut wie der sie bedient oder derjenige, der sie repariert. Und bei der Reparatur kommt es nicht nur darauf an, wie gut sie repariert wird, sondern auch, wie schnell jemand verfügbar ist und wie schnell und wie dauerhaft die Maschine wieder produzieren kann.
What is the most important feature of a machine that you want to use for years to come? That it runs, obviously. Production reliability is all important for every eroding machine user. This is why the machines of Mitsubishi Electric have a strong steel construction. Although strong quality steel is over 1,600% more expensive than cheap polymer concrete that many other manufacturers use. So if concrete is so inexpensive, why doesn't Mitsubishi use it? This is why.
What league can you compete in by using machines from Mitsubishi Electric?
As a special highlight, we take a look behind the scenes of Formula One. The BMW Sauber F1 team shows us how to stay hundredths of a second ahead with the aid of Mitsubishi Electric Eroding machines. Okay, gentlemen, rev up your engines and get out onto the circuit.
Over 300 kilometers an hour on the bends, almost 20,000 RPM and loads of up to 5G. If anything doesn't fit precisely in such conditions, things can get really scary. But the BMW Sauber Formula One team has no worries in this respect, since Mitsubishi Electric has been the official supplier to one of the most successful teams in the top league of motor racing since 2005. At the Swiss site in Hinwil, 2 eroding machines of the FAS Advanced series and 2 die sinking machines accelerate the production of the connectors for the aluminium and titanium chassis components. In addition, Mitsubishi Electric supports the race team with its expertise in the EDM sector and thus does its bit towards the top placings of the BMW Sauber Formula One team with its drivers Nick Heidfeld and Robert Kubica. How broad is the applicational spectrum of machines from Mitsubishi Electric?
Where details are concerned, I'm always very attentive because it's the little things in particular that depend most on reliable technology. This is why I'm very much looking forward to the next report. Let's watch it together.
At the Institute for Microtechnik Mainz, or IMM for short, they are very meticulous. Because as one of the world's leading service providers for application-driven research and development in microtechnology, IMM has unparalleled expertise in the production of microstructures. Together with Mitsubishi Electric, they have pushed back the existing boundaries in eroding technology, with fascinating results. By cooperating with IMM and jointly establishing a unique EDM competence centre, Mitsubishi Electric has once again demonstrated its global technological leadership.
These are just some of the reasons why many users have grown particularly fond of their Mitsubishi Electric eroding machines. And I hope you've enjoyed my efforts to introduce you to them. It's pity that this film is so short, but if you want to find about the many other advantages of Mitsubishi Electric, you can go to the website at www.mitsubishi-edm.de or simply dial our number. We look forward to hearing from you. Till then, it's goodbye from Ratingen.